Yeah, so what?
Both are going to that alarm. Make contact with the resident.
Black Hellcat. We're going 166 eastbound in Delo. 166 eastbound in Delo. Black Hellcat. It's got red wheels. Taking the shoulder. Going back westbound 166. Westbound sale 166 from Delo.
Right out of the gate, this is high-speed chaos. A black Hellcat, aggressive driving, shoulder use. This isn't just a traffic stop anymore. This is escalation. Law enforcement is already building probable cause here. Reckless driving, potential evasion, and public endangerment. Notice how quickly the situation shifts from observation to pursuit-level urgency. And here's the real hook. The suspect knows they're being watched, yet keeps pushing. Op hote to kyakarte? Slow down and comply, or risk everything in a high-speed run. Stay with this, because this is only the beginning.
Are you serious? Get out of the way! Still westbound. Must have been 285.
Still westbound 166, crossing over 285. 820. Unit 43 put up there, 414 to the helicopter if you get it.
Right turn, Barge Road northbound, Barge Road northbound.
I got the right turn on Barge.
Barge goes to Fairman Road, so anybody come up there because we're going to be coming high.
Right on guard. We're on body turn, let it out.
Just go back on. We ain't worried about the bush line. We just gonna get this car. Alright, we're on Fairman Road now. Fairman northbound, Fairman northbound. Fairman Road headed northbound from Barge. Road C. Fairman passing Ingdale. Still northbound on Fairman.
On Fairman Road, man, get go.
Now this is where things get legally intense. Officers are clearly committed to the pursuit. We just going to get this car. That mindset matters. In court, defense could argue excessive pursuit risk, especially if public safety was compromised. But on the flip side, fleeing itself escalates charges dramatically. Every turn, every command, every ignored signal builds a stronger case for felony evasion. And let's be honest, emotions are creeping in too. Frustration is audible. Question is, does emotion affect judgment here? Who's in the wrong at this stage?
Look at it on camera now. I wasn't working. Yes, I can. I'm trying to call it. If I can, I'll let you call it. He's coming to a stop, and when they came to a stop right here, then he's backing up. He's coming to a stop, and when they came to a stop right here, then he's backing up.
You right now. Right now. Right now.
This is the turning point, and it's serious. We got it on camera now means evidence is locked in. Everything from here forward is documented, and that changes the entire legal landscape. But then, that explosive statement. That's the kind of line that can raise major legal and ethical questions in court. Was it a threat, heat of the moment frustration, or something more? Prosecutors and defense will both latch onto this. Emotionally, this is peak tension. Rational control versus raw reaction. Op Hotai 2 is point par situation ko kaise handle karte.
You're an idiot. That's what you did. That tag's illegal. I came to get you. Get in the car, bro. Get in the car. Get in the car. You got felony charges. Get in the car. Now your car messed up too. And mine will get paid for by your tax, but you ain't getting nothing. Get in the car. Okay. But get in the car. I don't care about your feelings. I don't care about your feelings. Get in the car. Put his car apart. And mess my damn car up. But you have to get in the car. I can't. I didn't have to. You was running. But have your legs in the car. You don't know who I'm the Georgia State Patrol. I can hit your car. That's what you thought, so I was APD. Now you looked at me and you kept going. I wasn't supposed to match that. Get in the car. I can't. Just get into my leg. The car. I can't. Put your legs in the car. I didn't say slide back. I said put your legs in the car. I can't. This tire. Look, get in the car, bro. Get in the car. Right now. Nobody said nothing about laying back. Put your legs in the car. Why you? What are you doing? Because put your legs in the car. I can't bend my knee like that, man. I can't. I'm unable, bro. I'm unable, bro. I'm telling you. Medically, I'm unable. Bro, what are you doing in the car, man? Medically, I'm unable, bro. Yo, you're still going in this back seat. I can't. I'm not trying to hold you, bro.
Hang on, 5 up.
Get in the car. Medically, I can't. Slide back. Roll it. No, hey. Slide back in the car. Medically, I can't. Get in the car and put your damn legs in the seat. I'm not bullshitting with you right now. Get in the car and slide back. Medically, slide back. I'm not bullshitting with you right now. That was stupid. That was stupid. All you had to do was stop. And I was going to say, dude, why do you have that tag? Damn. I'm not good. Yeah. I'm fucking acting retarded.
I'm a ways off, I'm on the way. 551 close here.
Yeah.
Clear.
This one's a little bit surprised, right? Yeah, hell yeah.
This final stretch brings everything together: the charges, the confrontation, and the consequences. Legally, the suspect is now facing felony evasion, illegal tag violations, and potential additional charges tied to the pursuit. But notice the contradictions. The suspect claims medical inability, while officers focus on compliance. That tension is critical in court, especially when evaluating use of force and handling of detainees. The judge would ultimately look at intent, risk to public safety, and post-stop conduct. Bottom line, one decision to run escalated everything. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.